Hi guys, my name is Clement and welcome back to the music school, and today I'll be talking about how to fill dance floors. Well, in no particular order, I would possibly put out a few points out there, and one of my first point would be to be stylish yourself, so where you get attention automatically with your presence. Second, as a DJ, I would tell you that always cater to the women mostly, because if the women are on the dance floor, everybody else just follows. So the most important thing is to make the ladies happy. Always have your eyes open on the dance floor and target the groups that are not reacting to you. So please use your miking skills to have some kind of an interaction with them and engage them on the dance floor. Make sure you pace your sets well. It should not be a banger of a set just throughout. You have to kind of drop down as a resident DJ sometimes, because the people need to take a small break, whether they want to use the restroom or most importantly whether they want to refill their drinks, because bar is exactly where the business is coming from. So you have to let them go at one point and then get them back again. Well, I hope you guys liked my video and you found something interesting in it, and follow us on Instagram, and I will look forward to see you in the next video.